How to file your GSTR1 in under 2 minutes.
Hi guys, I will show you how we can file GSTR1 through YourBooks. So to verify the same, what I will do is I will open both tabs, one YourBooks and the other one GST portal itself. So I am going to file GSTR1 for return 23 May, and then I will show you how it happens on GST portal as well. And I can see there are 10 invoices that have been raised from your books. What is the status at GST portal? So I will choose the return period as May. I'll say search. As you can see, it shows no invoices, nothing at all. Everything is zero. Okay. Save GSTR1, and this is done. Customer in B2C invoice as well. So it was just one. So that says this is the customer B2C invoice that has come. So that is it. I mean, you just need to click save button from your books and it is done. Now, once save is done, the file button will get enabled automatically so that you can file it right from there. I will click file GSTR1. It will ask for the OTP. It will be a fresh OTP will be generated. And let's check if it has been filed or not. Here you go, it's filed. That's it. I mean, that is it you need to do using your books.